Hi guys, this is Bailey from Iceboxauto. This is a Peugeot 3008 unit that we've installed today. This is the Style 3 HV system. It comes with an 8-core processor with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Obviously you've seen this unit before probably if you're subscribed, but yeah, obviously I don't think we've done this particular car. This is the homepage of the unit. It's a full Android system, so it means you've got all your applications, you've got your auxiliary, you've got your equalizer, Android Bluetooth, file manager, you've got a gallery, Google, Chrome, 2 browsers, CarLink, which is for your CarPlay or your Android Auto, just depending on what phone you actually connect to it via Bluetooth or a USB cable, which we install into the glove box of this car. We have also installed a reverse camera. For this car there isn't really a great place to mount it, so it is actually mounted on the underside of the bumper, so it's pretty low down, but obviously the image is there. Obviously putting it back to neutral switches it back. Going across, we've got Google Maps. You have the internal music player, so obviously pen drive with songs on show up USB 1, USB 2, and that'll obviously work. I have, for the video, already linked up the Android Auto, so obviously this is just paired up with my phone, so it's got all the apps that I use there, Google Maps, Waze, etc. Spotify, of course. Obviously this will work hands-free, so if I was to say OK Google, play a song, I might not understand that, but yeah, obviously it will work for directions and stuff. Going back home, we have the just your FM AM radio. Does work with your steering wheel controls, so obviously that's me doing it off screen there, but you do have volume buttons on the left and right of the system as well. Going up and then just swiping up, there we go, get rid of that. Pressing here, let's have a look at the vehicle settings, see what comes over for this one. So functional state, I don't really know what most of this is going to do. That'll reset your TPMS, light settings, other settings. So there's a bunch of settings on these, to be honest. Not necessarily all going to carry across. So some things like your mileage and stuff might not necessarily travel across just well. Depends how the unit reads them. But yeah, I don't know exactly what all that's going to do. Play Store, obviously where you download applications to the system. So if I was to swipe down from the top and press Wi-Fi, connect it to my phone's hotspot, or park it in a garage and connect it to my home Wi-Fi. The next thing is obviously data, which you can get by putting a SIM card to the system. So with this unit you get a SIM card dongle, and obviously you can put a pay-as-you-go SIM into that, tap data, and it'll work standalone. So obviously you don't have to hotspot the unit. It means, say you were to go on a drive, you don't even need your phone really, other than for Bluetooth music or whatever it is that you might want it for. And things like YouTube and video or stuff like that, obviously you can install whatever you want to it pretty much. So obviously Netflix, Disney Plus, etc. will all be available on the system. So yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest, other than obviously yeah, I'll show you the equalizer. Let me quickly, so louder, let me go to the radio then quick, just higher this up a little bit. Play it too much. I'll go back to this. So it changes the audio in the car pretty much. But yeah, I'll close that before the video gets claimed. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. So if you've got any questions, or if you want to get this unit, obviously give us a shout. Any questions in the comments should be answered. Obviously all our details are also down below. So yeah, cheers, thank you, bye bye.